With cross-sells, you can promote complementary products to your customers on your product pages. Cross-selling is a great way to influence increased sales and order values by encouraging customers to buy more. Setting up cross-sells is easy and only takes a few steps. First, select the cross-sell option and add a name to your discount. This will only be used internally and won't be seen by your customers. Next, select the parent products. These will be the products that will display a cross-sell recommendation. Variants can be selected via the drop-down menu. Now, select up to 5 child products. These are the products you wish to cross-sell along with your parent product. Now that your products are selected, it's time to set up your cross-sell discounts. Here, you'll have two options: applying a discount to the sum of all parent and child products in the cart, or applying a discount to each individual parent and child product in the cart. For both options, discounts can be based on either a percentage or specific dollar amount. Also, it's important to know that this discount will only be applied to the cross-sell products in your customer's cart. If your customer happens to add cross-sell products to the cart without using the recommended products widget, the app will still recognize this and apply a discount. Now that your cross-sell products are selected and discount configured, you can fully customize the color scheme of your cross-sell widget. Here, you'll see a live preview of your widget as you change the design. Finally, now that the core offer is set up, you can also configure a few additional options to help specify your sale, such as restricting the discount to only apply for specific geo-locations or scheduling a start and end date for the sale. Once you're happy with the overall discount configuration, simply click the Create Tier Pricing button, and your discount rule will run as expected. That's all for now. If you need further assistance, contact our support team via the live chat button, and we'd be happy to help. Also, be sure to check out our other tutorials to learn more about the full capabilities of our app. Thanks for watching.